So what I'll be showing you today is how to make like a simple for loop. So what a for loop does, well, I'll explain what it does. As soon as I have everything typed out, you'll be able to see better. So we have already created our class called for loop, just to make it simple. So now we have to add this, like we always do. All right, so to begin, first we need to initialize I. So we do, because it's an integer, int I semicolon, move down. And what we'll do next is we'll actually create the actual for loop. So let's write this out. Write for, and in parentheses, I, which we initialized right above here, into I equal to 10, colon, I is less than or equal to 50, semicolon, and we'll do I equals I plus 5. Close that. So what this is here, what this actually is the actual for with the for loop. So what it's saying is there's kind of three things we're kind of telling the program here. So we're saying I equals 10. So we're gonna create a list of numbers and we're gonna start off with 10. So I equals 10, then I is less than or equal to 50. That means our list is gonna go until it is equal to 50 or less than 50. So it's not gonna go over 50. And I equals I plus 5. That just means that we're going to move in increments of 5. So we're going to start at 10, then go 10, 15, 20, 25, all the way up to 50. And in this case, because it works out evenly, we're going to stop on 50. But if this was like by threes and we got to, I don't know, something that like 29 or whatever, I don't know what it would be, but let's say we got to 29, it would stop, 49. It would stop at 49 and it wouldn't go over to 52 because that would be over 50. And that's what this is telling us here. So we have to do one more thing, and that's just printing it out. So we want to print this for loop. So we make a system.out.print. Okay, so what this here is doing is we're actually printing out the list of numbers, but we're going to make it so that we print the number and then there's going to be a space. So it's not like all the numbers are squeezed together. So it's not like 10, 15, and it looks like 1015. So we put the space in between there so that just so you can read it properly for readability. So finally, we have to print all of it out. So we'll make a system.out.print again. And we'll put that. And now this is just printing everything out. So this is just a basic for loop. If we save that and we can try to run it. So now we're going to try to run this. We're going to say, oops. For loop Java. No errors, so it's running. So we can see here, I can move this a little bit. We can see here that we started out with 10. Then we went to 15. We're moving in increments of 5, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Once we hit 50, we stop, and that's that cap right there. So that's how you make just a simple for loop. There's ways to where you can skip numbers, skip sections of numbers, but this is just a basic for loop.